This is Dia de Muertos. It is exactly like cocoa film. Today is October 31st.
Bienvenidos a Oaxaca!
On this day, all of Mexico gets prepared to welcome dead people. This bread is called bread of the dead.
They're coming tonight.
You will see people celebrating death. After 12 a.m., people go to cemeteries because souls return from there.
For 300 years, the Spanish ruled Mexico.
These are the Aztecs. They are the indigenous people of the Americas. They came after the Maya civilization. It was also an empire before the Spanish conquest. These people called themselves Mexica. Day of the Dead culture originated thousands of years ago before the arrival of the Spaniards with the Christians.
Regularly and often to the people of Mexico.
All souls will return. This is the most important festival in Mexico. Mexicans believe that the souls of their dead return on this day, and they spend a whole day with them.
In Oaxaca, you never die.
This is strange. Today, we arrived in Mexico to spend a whole day with our friend Gary.
Welcome to Oaxaca.
A small and wondrous city in southern Mexico called Oaxaca. Guys, it's 9 a.m. on October 31st. No one will sleep today. They believe that all souls return. After 12 a.m., you can join them and celebrate all day long. All people decorate their houses with cempasúchil. You will find these orange flowers everywhere. They are iconic for them. It is said that souls love this color and gravitate to it, so the whole city will be decorated with cempasúchil.
I'm gonna collect for the home.
Here are the preparations for this event. Tonight's the night. Bread of the dead. This bread is iconic. They put whatever the dead person likes so the soul can eat it when it returns. But it is said that it lost its taste because they believe that the dead ate it. It's 5 p.m. As you can see here, the market is full of bread. It is called bread of the dead. Everyone comes here to buy it.
Today is the big day. After midnight, our family come back from the, I don't know if it's Kevin or where they came. The things that my grandfather used to like, a special candy, mini apple. My grandfather liked these seeds. Oh, well, this is for me, but also I buy for him. They're coming tonight. What we make for Dia de los Muertos. Here are the people who just passed out. So this is my family in the top, grandfathers. My cat passed away like almost a month ago. We put bread, Coca-Cola. We have candy. We put water. They're gonna be like thirsty, so they have to drink water.
However, if the family does not put a photo of a deceased member, they won't come back on this day.
We go to the grave and wait for them.
This painting on their faces, it is to make the dead people feel that they're not alone and different. We're the same as you. Look at how many people here are painting. All people are painting their faces on the street. It is 3 a.m. at a cemetery. The whole city met here, waiting for the souls to return. Then they will go back home to have a breakfast together, spend a day together, then leave. All of them have flowers. The orange flowers, which I showed to you. Look at this. It is a cemetery. Everyone is sitting by the grave of a family member or a relative. This is the biggest festival I've ever seen in my life. Look at these celebrations. They believe that dead people are with them now. So everyone is celebrating. The festival came to an end on the second day. And we decided to try the city's food.
Pero todos me dicen Mimi.
And their wondrous sauce, called mole negro. It is made of chili in a strange way. mixed with chocolate. One of Netflix's street food series was filmed here. They became very famous.
Mole.
Like this chef. They have mole and chocolate. She's making chili right now. She's making spicy chili.
Why people love mole here?
She's peeling peppers. This is going to be a spicy dish. This chef is influenced by Frida, a world-famous artist and painter.
Y el porqué de Frida es que porque mi padre me marcó, pues de alguna forma sus enseñanzas las llevo dentro de mí.
It's like a shawarma sandwich, but this is a pepper sandwich. She's cooking it on charcoal. She is making a sandwich with pepper and mole sauce.
Es algo para mí muy satisfactorio ver que la gente se coma lo que yo cocino.
In the name of Allah, it is amazing how they put mole sauce inside. It is so delicious. This amazing sauce is made from 8 types of chili.
Y pues lo hago con mucho gusto porque lo traigo de raíz de mis padres.
In the street. Cheese?
Yes, cheese. Queso.
Cheese?
Became famous because of Netflix, which made all street food here famous. We will try it now.
Memela.
It is called memelas, a bread made of corn,
Everything has corn, so.
called tortilla. This woman has a success story. She came from a rural area to live here. This buffet became one of the best in Oaxaca. She made her own sauce, which no one else made before.
Joy.
Let's try memelas. It is all made with tortilla.
Tortilla.
This is the best thing I ate.
El éxito primero viene de Dios, de la fe que tiene uno.
Okay, they make chips in a strange way. They put corn on spicy chips. Spicy chips with corn and cheese. Okay guys, now we'll try tlayuda, one of Mexico's famous dishes. We are with a woman who was featured on Netflix. She became very famous 3 years ago.
¿Ayuda? Ayuda.
Tlayuda.
Delicious. There's no meat in it at all.
¿Qué significa la ayuda?
Look at this.
Oaxaca.
It is full of cheese and tortilla.
Tortilla and pumpkin flour. Pumpkin flour. Why Netflix came here and made 3 videos? Because the best food is in Oaxaca. Yellow mole with chicken.
This mole sauce is the most important ingredient as it makes all food delicious.
This is yellow mole. Yellow mole. Oh, this pizza.
It is similar to our pastries.
We have similar pasta. Yeah?
Their bread is unique, tortilla. We tried all Netflix restaurants today. To know how this wondrous sauce is made, mole, we had to drive 1 hour away from the city to a small village to know the secret behind it.
Y pues ahorita vamos a hacer el proceso del mole negro, el número 1 de Oaxaca. Esos son los 7 moles de Oaxaca.
Mimi, nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto, yo.
She will show us how mole is made. Mole is the sauce that is used in all their food. Mole negro is black sauce. A sauce from Chile. Can you imagine that? This is how much Mexicans love chili.
This is all the ingredients to make a mole. That's why it tastes so, so good.
She is peeling the chili. Everything on the table will be roasted. Look at the mole. Oh, the mole is ready now. At the end, she roasted the tomatoes in a hot, dry pan and put the mole on it. Look at it now. Then finally, she put...
Chocolate.
Look at how hot chocolate. is sipped.
Chocolate.
Wow.
I just can't describe its taste. It tastes like chili with hummus.